Hi everyone, so this video today is on Pythagoras but finding the short side. So my last video was on when you were finding the longest side, which was this one here, wasn't it? The one opposite the right angle. But today we know this one and we're going to have to find one of the shorter sides, A or B. This is the same method for finding A or B, okay? So this is what you would have to do each time. Okay, so we would start off in exactly the same way. We would be labelling our sides with A, B and C and using Pythagoras' theorem to find the missing side. Okay, all three sides link still, it's just that we're finding one of the shorter sides instead. So if we label the sides first of all, like we said, we know that this one is C and I'm going to label this one A and this one B. Okay, so we know Pythagoras' theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So what we do is we substitute in what we know. A, we don't know, so I'm going to leave it as A. B is 7, so I'll put 7 squared there, and equals c, and this time we know this one here. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to put our values in here now. So a squared plus 49 equals 225. Okay, so what we would do now is we need to figure out what a squared is going to be. Okay, so we need to get this on its own. So we're going to do a little bit of solving equations now. So to get this on its own, we need to take away the 49 from each side. Okay, so if you remember the rules of balancing equations, whatever you do to one side, you must do to the other. Otherwise, they become imbalanced. Okay, so a squared equals 225, take away 49, which is 176. Okay, so basically that value there had to be 176. So when you added the 49, it became the 225. Okay, so a squared is 176. So to find a on its own, I would need to do the square root of that. And the square root of 176 gives me 13.3 centimetres to one decimal place. Now, here's a little bit of a tip at this point. Okay, so we know now that our answer is 13.6. Remember, this is a shorter side. Okay, it's not the shortest, obviously, but it is meant to be shorter than the longest side, which is C. So if your answer here is more than the longest side, which is here, then you've gone wrong somewhere. Okay, so you'll need to go back and check what you've done to make sure that your answer is smaller than the longest side. Okay, I'm going to do another one. This time I'm going to have the missing value at the bottom here, and I'll call it B so that it's the other one. Okay, I'm not going to speak in this bit, so just watch the video and then you can have a go at the questions yourself.